ground is cool.
A 10-year library.
Thereby right turn, right turn. Go and...
Well done, guys.
And I have huge guests up here. I have the Swedish ambassador. I have the head of staff worldwide. And I welcome. Honored to have you here, sir.
The combat search and rescue event.
And midnight.
Captain Isaac Monoshi Kadimeng, call sign Atreus, and in the commanded by Major T. Wodi, call sign Lepo. Overtake the pilot only has 3 seconds.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the parachutes are now safely open. The canopy that they're jumping with is the Pathfinder. They will flare the canopy close to the ground to reduce forward speed, increase lift and land safely. The small parachute behind the canopy, that's part of the active close to the ground, is prohibited. And there he flares to reduce his speed and land safely.
Wow.
That is Lieutenant Colonel Laurel Thatcher. Give him a hand. Now do an interdiction strike onto the objective area in preparation for the ground assault. I'll give you the call when the Hawks are inbound. The Mamba armored personnel carrier is not designed to participate in direct contact or combat. They are battlefield taxis. They lack the armor protection as well as the firepower to be able to fight. Therefore, they will drop off the infantry platoon. The infantry platoon will advance, and then these vehicles withdraw to a Zulu area or for empty vehicles, where they will remain until call upon to retrieve the platoon. You can observe 2 sections up front, platoon commander in the middle with the control mortar, and in the left section. We are now awaiting the Hawk to do the initial strike.
In the next from the low level, and the dive bomb attack from closer support wheel above the battlefield.
The ground commander have also called in further fire support. Roy Falk inbound from the north, pitching. 81mm mortars engaging. Plot on the ground. The smoke on the ground is indicated to the air assets for safety of...
Reconnaissance, closer support and counter-insurgency role.
Infantry is now doing fire movement. One person is firing his body will protecting by firing onto the enemy. We trade bullets for lives. So although the infantry is in the open, all the firepower directed at the enemy.
Chain thread cannon, which can be displayed to the weapon system operator's helmet.
Therefore you can see, ladies and gentlemen, on the modern
Get free. You just saw a war, like a mini war. Yeah. How's the war, bro?
Nah, bro, it's absolutely fantastic, though.